These days, I've been receiving a lot of mixed comments from my followers because their makeup doesn't turn out exactly like mine. Most people fail to realize that they need to maintain their skin with the right skincare products for their makeup to look good. Getting a facial before an event is not an overnight solution. You need a dedicated skincare routine to look the best version of yourself every day.
ThriveCo's Youth Renewal Serum is a multitasking skincare essential that I recommend to everyone over the age of 25. Powered with retinol, it works 11 times faster to prevent the reverse signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and hyperpigmentation. Moreover, it helps clear pimples and textural issues for super smooth, plump, and glowing
This is the
skin.
perfect skincare addition for all skin types. So don't just rely on makeup. Invest a few minutes to skincare every day. And your makeup will turn out to be flawless.